Hi there, we're here with Carolina Vasquez,
Hello.
and we're at the beach in Prestatyn because Carolina's been helping us with some aspects of the production. Tell us about that briefly.
Yeah, it's been lots of fun. I've been out here and it's been a great chance to see how the beach has been created from the back end of things. So I've been helping out making videos, helping the characters make videos and
Cool. Yeah, excellent results, and they're still online. What other stuff do you do? Because I know you've got a blog now and you make videos, right?
Yeah, I make videos and animations and different kinds of things, like video for theater or video trailers for theater or animations or anything really.
Cool.
Anything that moves, I make things move.
So what's the best place to go to see that stuff?
Oh, you could go to my website.
Cool.
Yeah, carolicides.com.
carolicides.com. And thanks for your time, Carolina, and for your hard work helping us out.
Cool, thank you.
Cheers.